Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna unbox Hermes P2A RGB gaming keyboard. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So this is how the box looks, and now let's open it. Here we have our keyboard, and let's get it out of the box. So here's the keyboard, and in the box we don't get any manuals, so we have to download the soft version from the internet. And also we get this switch puller in the box. The cable which we get is braided and is 1.5 meter long. This seems to be pretty durable. As you can see, it has an elegant finish and aluminium bezels around it. Now let's turn it on and see how the RGB looks. This is how the whole setup looks like, and now I'm gonna show you all the lighting effects of the keyboard. So this is the first lighting effect, this one's the second, and this is the crazy one. Like, see, wherever I click, the lights start blinking. Okay, now another one. Another one. You can also change whether it goes from up to down or down to up. Next one is this. Next. And this. You can change its colors as well. This is the pink color. This one's blue. Here we have the purple color. You can clearly see the mechanical keys from here. Here we have the deadly red color. Here's the yellow color. The dark blue color. And last but not the least, the green color, just like Hulk. What are mechanical keyboards known for? Their sounds, right? So now let's hear how this one sounds. You can also change the brightness and the speed of the lighting effect. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.